Valance supports 11 starburst light fixtures, a vertical cascade of yellow lights, reflective dance floor, ice rink, show and dust particles, overhead lighting. Valance supports 11 starburst light fixtures, a vertical cascade of yellow lights, reflective dance floor, ice rink, show and dust particles, overhead lighting, dark seating areas, an audience performance event taking place, capturing the warm glow of the lights, a glimpse into mid-century entertainment, interior design, vintage event photography, color, saturation, detail, dust, minor imperfections. The image captures a theatrical performance, costume characters on a purple floor, a prominent white ghost-like figure with a simple smile, lurker costume, blue hat, shaggy brown and green characters, round as props, scattered design elements, stage backdrop, dark blue drapes, white clouds, and a large stylus under ice, shows from the 1970s. Vibrant, imaginative aesthetics of the era, dynamic lighting, film stock, good color saturation and detail, minor dust and scratches. The Mayflower Turrica ship anchored in a calm harbor, historic vessel built in England, sailed to the inaction in Plymouth, Massachusetts, fully rigged with intricate lines and spars, a 17th century sailing ship with a smaller wooden boat floats nearby, searing blue-green water, light-colored rocky shoreline, maritime scene. Distant low-lying sandy landmass, typical of the New England coastline. Historical Americana, noticeable green color shift, numerous dust particles. Captured in what is a festive setting, a portrait of a young man and woman, a couple. A man positioned on the left, a white shirt extended with a yellow diagonal stripe. A woman on the right with curly light brown hair, small white subtle blue embroidered detail. Expressions show a pleasant ground bokeh effect, highlighting numerous colorful lights. A decorated Christmas tree into celebrations from the 1970s or early 1980s. Good color saturation, clarity, minor dust specks, light surface scratches. Join the waitlist. Coming soon, time to change the reseller game. Quality listing.